Claude 4.5 Haiku has just been released, and today we're going to be talking about the best ways to make money with it. So you can see it's using Claude HAiku 4.5, a latest small model. 5 months ago, Claude Sonnet 4 was state of the art. Today, Haiku 4.5 matches its coding performance at 1/3 the cost and more than twice the speed, right? So it's cheaper, it's faster. Right? How easy is that? You can easily automate tweets with AI, right? So if you wanted to create something like this, all you do is you would take whatever topic you have. So let's say, for example, we're talking about how to make money with Claude HAiku, and we want to tweet about that. Well, we can, for example, create 5 similar tweets to this, but more unique. Boom, there we go, right? We've got multiple tweets, so we can just post out. So for example, like this, I can just take this like so. Let's copy that. Then I can go to Twitter. I can post that. And then what I can do is I can just for the sake of speed, obviously you would upload the video directly normally, but for the sake of speed, we'll just copy this video over here and then plug it in. All right, so if we take that, right, and how long did that take? That took literally like 20 seconds, right? If you want to make money with Twitter, there's no excuse. It's so easy to do. It's like 5 ways to make money with Claude. Click on that, boom. Then we've got, here's what you're going to learn. Start with 1, scale to all, DM me for the full playbook, right? Simple and easy.